Hi friends, good morning. Myself AG sir from Samvit School. I welcome all of you in today's lecture. Today we are going to discuss small two topics. First is types of organic reaction and mechanism. Types of organic reactions and mechanism. So this is the very basic fundamental method to make different product from different reactants. If you want to make any product, you must follow some method that is to be said SERA. SERA. It is simple short name to remember all four methods. SERA: substitution reaction, elimination reaction, rearrangement reaction, and addition reaction. SERA, you just remember the formula to remember all four methods. It is SERA. S means substitution reaction. Substitutions reaction. E means elimination reaction. R means rearrangements. Rearrangement reaction. And A means addition reaction. This is simple the name of methods. Substitution reaction is related to substitute an element or functional group from reactant and to make product. Simple explanation I am giving. Addition reaction to make double bond from single bond. Elimination reaction, it is opposite to make single bond from double bond. And rearrangements reaction, it is the rearrangement of elements or compound to find the product. You will be study this all methods in very next chapter, hydrogen, chapter number 13. You just wait till to understand all four these reactions. So I have given simple explanation. Simple substitution means the substitution of any element or functional group to make product from the reactant. Addition to make double bond from single bond. Elimination reaction to make single bond from double bond. And rearrangement means it is the rearrangement of element or functional group to get the product. So very simple explanation related to all these four methods. Now we are going to understand another some techniques to make purification of organic compounds which we have obtained from the nature or prepared synthetically in laboratory. So next topic we are going to discuss. The topic is method of purification of organic compound. Method of purification of organic compound. Method of purification. Method of purification of organic compound. I have written over here, but I think so you cannot watching clearly, so I have write down again over here. Methods of purification of organic compound. What is the base of these methods? You are getting an organic compound either from the nature, or you have extracted organic compound either from the nature or prepared synthetically in laboratory. So it is very most important to make it pure, because so many type of impurity are present in organic compound which we have obtained from the nature or prepared synthetically in laboratory. And impurity is depend on the nature of organic compound, because every organic compound which we have obtained having different type of impurity, and we have to make it pure, means we have to release impurity from pure organic compound. For that, there are different method or techniques. It is depend on the nature or state of organic compound. We have different methods: sublimation, crystallization, distillation, differential extraction, and chromatography. Another modern method is spectroscopic techniques. You can remember CCDDS. CCDDS. You have one formula, CCDDS. C means what? Crystallization. C means what? Chromatography. D means what? Distillation. D means what? Differential extraction. And S means what? Sublimation. Crystallization C. Chromatography C. Distillation D. Differential extraction D. And sublimation, it is S. All five methods can be remembered with the simple formula like SARA. We have given the SARA: substitution reaction, elimination reaction, rearrangement, and addition reaction are different, but CCDDS is the reaction, is the method to make pure substance which having impurity. Crystallization C, chromatography C, distillation D, differentiate extraction D, and sublimation S. CCDDS can remember easily. Now we are having first sublimation reaction. Let's see what explain the sublimation reaction. We are going to discuss. First is the sublimation reaction. What sublimation reaction having main base? Sublimation reaction. What explain? It is the reaction related the impurity present in pure compound, that solid substance is converted into vapor without converting into liquid. It means solid will convert into vapor without liquid state. impurity will be remain as it is. Solid will convert into directly vapor. That is very important. Impure sublimate substance will be remain as it is, and pure sublimate substance will be accepted, will be released. You have one simple example related to Gujarati medium. I can explain it properly. તમે ઘરે અગરબત્તી સળગાવો છો. અગરબત્તી સોલિડ સ્ટેટ છે અને તમે એને સળગાવો એટલે એની સ્મેલ છે ને આપણે એમાં રહેલી પ્યોરિટી છે. હવે તમે વિચારો કે અગરબત્તી તમે જ્યારે સળગાવો છો ત્યારે સોલિડ ફોર્મમાં છે અને એ જે તમને સ્મોક આપે છે, ઇટ મીન્સ પ્લેઝન્ટ સ્મેલ એની જે હોય છે એ ગેસિયસ કે વેપર ફોર્મમાં હોય. That means it has not the middle stage from solid to liquid, liquid to gas. It is directly convert to solid to vapor. This is very easy, very simple example that you can understand. There are so many examples which is directly converted solid